Student, in this video we are going to discuss the relationship between zeros and the coefficients of quadratic polynomial. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial, so it has two zeros. Sum of zeros, if we are going to add the zeros of the polynomial, then it will be equals to minus b upon a, where b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. So minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Product of zeros, if we are going to multiply these zeros, then it will be c over a, where c is the constant term and again a is the coefficient of x square. Now let us understand with this example. Example 2. X square plus 7x plus 10 is a quadratic polynomial. We are going to solve it with the middle term splitting method. Factorize it. We need sum 7x, product 10x here. So the two numbers which satisfy these two conditions, 5x and 2x. Now middle term splitting, x square plus, in place of 7 we will write 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now from first two, take a common x. So here x, and in 5x we left 5. Then last two we will take common 2. Then x plus 5. In these brackets, the values remains same. So now take common x plus 5 and the second factor is x plus 2. So x plus 5 and x plus 2 are the factors of x square plus 7x plus 10. Now for the zeros either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. X plus 5 equals to 0, x equals to minus 5 and x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. So minus 5 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x. Now we are going to verify it. Sum of the zeros, add the zeros, minus 5 and minus 2. It becomes minus 7. But according to it, a is 1, b is 7 and c is 10. Minus b upon a, minus 7 over 1. Both are equal. Now product of zeros, minus 5 into minus 2, it is positive 10. Now c over a, c is 10 and a is 1, 10 upon 1. Again, both are same, hence verified the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial and the zeros. Now take another example, example 3rd. Now the polynomial is in the form of x square minus 3. So the coefficient of b is not here. So x square plus 0x minus 3, here a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 3. Now we are going to factorize it with the help of identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. A is x and b is square root 3. X plus root 3, x minus root 3 are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Now for zeros, either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So the values of x are minus root 3 and 3. These two are the zeros of the polynomial. Now sum of zeros, minus root 3 plus root 3. It will be 0. Now from minus b upon a, 0 over 1. That is 0. Again both are same. Now the product of zeros, minus root 3 into root 3, it will become minus 3. Now from here c over a, minus 3 over 1. Again the product of zeros are same, hence verified. Now students, solve exercise 2.1, question number 1, all parts. You have to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial.